So hopefully the screen is visible to everybody. So what we are going to do is we are going to develop this particular program. That what is the purpose of this program? Let us see what is the purpose of this particular program. So if I run this program from where do we run? So if I try to run this program, so how to run? So from here we can run, build and run. We are going to build and run, and then we will be running our program. Okay. What will happen if we run our program? So we are getting five options. That first one is enter new record, the other one is print all report cards, so and the third one is update a previous record. Again, fourth one is delete a record, and fifth one is quit. So for as of now, we are going to add a we are going to firstly see what all report cards are already into the file. So we are going to run this one. So we can see that we are having few files already, few report cards got generated automatically. So what are the outputs in these records? So we have given this particular thing, and then after that we have given some data about students. So what the name of the student is Javed Alam, and other thing is his father's name, then roll number, then registration number is given, and then course, and then address. There are five subjects each student as per our program is having. So what we are doing is we are we are taking the response from user. We are taking all the marks from the user, the name and father's name, roll number, all these things are given by the user. But what we are doing, we have firstly we are storing the things, the details given. Second thing, what we are doing, we are structuring this so that it looks very beautiful. And another thing that we are doing is we are providing a very good, beautiful structure to the data we have provided. Another and other thing that we are doing is we are performing some calculations, like as per the marks entered, what will be the percentage of the uh, in each marks, and then the grade that has been given to the children and to the student, and what is the total marks, and as per the total mark, what is the percentage that the students is scoring, and then we are providing grade to the student. Similarly, multiple report cards are printed. We have multiple report cards printed over here, and one thing we are now, what we will do, we will be entering a new record. So what all details we are going to enter into our new record? Into our new record, we are going to add a enter choice. We have given the wrong choice, so we are it's the program has asked for us to enter a correct choice. So we are going with the first, that is enter record. So enter number of records to feed. So I want to feed as of now one record, and then enter the record. So name Rohit Kumar, father's name Sanjeev Kumar, and then address will be Mahuatar, and then Gorakhpur, and then roll number. What will be the roll number? Let us give a random number of 4 digits, and then registration number 1254762. So this is the registration number, and then we are going to enter the marks provided that the student might have achieved. So the marks will be 95, and then 45, and then 55, and then 65, and then 85. So these are the marks that we have provided. Now let us check if this particular record that we have entered, is there any report card available on this name. So what we are going to do is we will be just checking it through our program. How we will check? We will type here 1 and then sorry. Okay. So by entering 0, we got out of that loop. By mistake, I opted for the first turn option. And now what we are going to do, we are going to print. So I'm printing all these things, and then we can see that Rohit Kumar, Sanjeev Kumar, and then the roll number, registration number as per provided by us has been given to the output. Now what we are going to do, we will be just, now what we are going to do, we will update. We will update, yeah, we will update a previous record. So by doing that, we will it asked us to enter the roll number or registration number. We are going to deal with 2547. So we are going to change the record of let us that is Rohit. So it asked me his name, so let me give his name as Rohit Kumar. So the name is Rohit Kumar, and then father's name I want to change to Rajiv Kumar. Sorry, I made the mistake again. So to the address, what we are going to do, we are adding the same address to this guy, and then the roll number will be also same, and then the registration number will be also same. So what has happened, we are giving the same marks also, and then what we are going to do, we record has been modified, it has given the output. Now let us again check that if the changes has been received. So we can see that the changes that we have made is being reflected over here. Is it? Yeah, it is reflecting. Like we have made the change to the name of his father, and it is now Rajiv Kaur from Sanjeev Kumar to Rajiv Kaur. It has been okay. So what we are going to do, we are now going to delete this particular record, and to do that, it again asks the registration number or roll number. So 1254762, and we have given the registration number that has to be deleted. And then what we are going to do, we are again going to check if there is any record that has the same as Rohit. So it is not there. There is not any record that is named as Rohit. So it is very clear that all these 4 options are working very smoothly in our program. And now we are going to quit this program. So the program has been quitted, and the program is now over. And what we are going to do, we will close this window, and I'll show you how this program is working. So firstly, we have yeah, we have installed the included these 2 libraries. That is, first one is very obvious one, and the second one is for different things that we are required or have. So what we have done, we have a structure, a record structure. We have defined a structure that is and given it the name as a record. So what record is having, the record, the structure record is having the name in the character format, and then data type, and then father's name, then address, and then roll number, registration number, and the subject, value of subject in float data type. And then a student, we have created an what we call it as a data type of the record type, a data of record type. Okay, so what this is, then we have created a global variable that is sorry, we have just defined this particular grade function, and the different things we have tried doing over here. And then this main function is being executed, and we have different things over here. We are using the switch method to give our choices, and then we are using this go to method to go to a particular section that we have defined. Okay, and then we are executing we have to exit the option 5 to exit the program. And then different functions we have created, the function to input the data, another function is there like another function is there like void read named function, and then print, how to print the things, we have defined a function for that as well. And then for to generate the grade we have defined a function, and these things are there. Okay, sorry for the mistake. And then these things are there like void update named function, and then at last we have this function that is named as delete. So these are multiple functions we are having in our program, and thus we are at the end of this program. Hopefully I'll be making another video explaining all these functions, and this video is quite lengthy, so let me see if I upload it to YouTube or not, because the things are to be kept very smoothly to the viewers, because nobody is having that much of time to watch this thing. Okay, thank you.